Alright, we got the huge clearance deal. At the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, so we can show you guys, and you guys won't miss any of the killer deals that we've been getting in the past and the future we'll get. Alright guys, so to start here, we got this mower. This one's pretty much new lower price, as you guys do see. Was $369 now down to $299. Then this one's down to $179 from $229. It's a trimmer blower combo. It's basically for a smaller yard. It's nothing, crazy. A medium to small. You got $249 down from $319. This is a chainsaw. This one's $329 down from $389. 16-inch chainsaw. Then you got the weed eater. Yes, it's actually lower, guys. This does include a 6 amp hour battery for $154. It's even less than what the battery's, pretty much the price of the battery. You got $329 from $389. This is same the 16-inch chainsaw. And then you got the 60-bolt combo kit for $350 down from $499. This is the DeWalt. We ended up seeing this at the clearance section and at the DeWalt section. So here is at the clearance section. And talking about the clearance section, check this out. You got the replacement blades for the M18 21-inch mower for $6.30. So they got a whole bunch of these. It seems like nobody's buying these. And then talking about mowers, check this out. You got the Toro 60-bolt 22-inch self-propelled for $549 down from $729. It's a pretty good deal. And then again, clearance on the appliances. There's a whole bunch of appliances I'm not going to go over because you guys are going to get bored. And then we got the Milwaukee accessories for the vacuums, $19.97. These are on clearance. Make sure you guys double check those prices. They might be lower. $136 down from $169. The router. $109 down from $139. This is the 4-mode impact driver. You got $119 down from $149 for the hammer drill, half-inch hammer drill. Then you got the pack out lights. Yes, this is the newer pack out M12 light. That's buy one get one free. So it's to $149. But I'm pretty sure you guys could get that still on the hack. Alright, you got the precision rotary tool for $49.97. You got the belt sander for $112 down from $139. You got the SDS for $105 down from $149. It's a pretty good deal on that one. You got a battery starter kit for $100. Was $199. That's the Ryobi. Then you got this this pen nailer for $229. And then you got this hammer drill for $139 down from $179. This is the XR brushless. And then you got this nailer. This is a framing nailer. A coil framing nailer for $225 down from $299. This is the way the clearance section looks. A lot of DeWalt, lots of power tools. You got the starter kit. This is a 2 and a 4 starter kit for $129 was $179. And then you got the Milwaukee mask respirators for $142. Personally, I don't like those. I like the 3M better. Self drilling. Actually, this is the accessory. This is another vacuum accessory. There's a crack and crevice for the detailing. And you got an all-day comfort here. Ear protection. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free tool on the right. Obviously, the installation driver is pretty good. Impact driver, drill driver. Those are the new Gens 3s for $229. And you get any of those for free. Definitely the ratchet, the right angle drill. You got the soldering iron. You got $136 down from $169. You got the drill driver, impact driver kits from Rigid. It's on clear. These are new lower prices. $69 down from $99. Impact driver. And then you got the quarter-inch ratchet for $133 was $189. So those are all Milwaukee on clearance. And then you got the Rigids. This is a 3/8 impact wrench. A 4-mode. It's down to $50 down from $99. It's a killer deal on this one. So you guys see it, jump on it. It's on the Rigid section. Got the Milwaukee compact 1/2-inch drill driver kit for $129. You got the this bar clamp for $17. It's not too bad for your woodworkers out there or your projects DIYs. Adapter plate for Tub System 2.0, $24.97. They still have these in stock in some of the stores. Now it's back at the DeWalt section, right there with the pack outs and all the DeWalt tub systems. And talking about build outs, or toolboxes. You got the still got the build up for 79, 29 for the smaller box, and then 79. Yeah, 79 for the rolling. So definitely check that one out. You got the organizers for 32. I'm pretty sure the holidays around the corner. So, you know, all the holidays stuff I heard is going to be dropped down on the 23rd. So, guys, keep an eye out. Make sure you guys stay subscribed to this channel because when those deals drop, I will post. And if they do sell, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Well, you didn't press the bell for this channel. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a short video. I know there's this Home Depot super small, and they only had Halloween decorations. That's all they had. They didn't have any tools. That was crazy. Alright, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.